Real Madrid star Karim Benzema was arrested by French police for his alleged part in blackmailing fellow France international player Mathieu Valbuena in 2015. Real Madrid forward Karim Benzema has gone on trial in France charged with complicity in the attempted blackmail of former international teammate Mathieu Valbuena over a sex tape. Investigators allege that Benzema encouraged Valbuena to pay a group of alleged blackmailers in order to keep the sexually explicit tape out of the public eye. Benzema has denied wrongdoing and his lawyer has described the case against the player as absurd. Benzema and Valbuena lost their places in France's national team in the wake of the scandal, dubbed the sex tape affair. Benzema was recalled to the France squad for this year's European Championship and the trial comes at a time when the 33-year-old striker is shining on the pitch. Prosecutors say Valbuena received a first call threatening to expose the sex tape in early June 2015 while at the French squad's training center in Clairefontaine, west of Paris. The anonymous caller said he wanted to come to an arrangement with Valbuena and told him to name an intermediary. Giving evidence at the start of the trial, Valbuena said he had never considered handing over money to stop the video getting out. "I knew if that video got out it would make things difficult with the French team," he said. Prosecutors allege Benzema was recruited by the alleged blackmailers to convince his teammate to pay up. Benzema is accused of complicity to attempted blackmail. His four co-accused face charges of attempted blackmail. The Real Madrid forward faces up to 5 years in jail and a €75,000 £63,300 fine if convicted. Benzema was absent on the first day of the trial after he traveled to Ukraine where he played in his club's Champions League group stage match against Shakhtar Donetsk on Tuesday. The case began in 2015 when Valbuena allegedly asked Axel Angert to upload the contents of his mobile phone to a new device. Angert is believed to have found sexually explicit material on the phone, and he and another defendant in the trial, Mustafa Zouaoui, are then accused of trying to blackmail Valbuena. When Valbuena went to the police, it is alleged an undercover agent named Luca was given the task of negotiating on his behalf. The defendants are accused of approaching a childhood friend of Benzema called Karim Benzema. It is believed Real Madrid striker Benzema approached his fellow France player in his room at the national team's training camp in October 2015. Benzema reportedly warned Valbuena, "Be careful, Math, they're big, big thugs." It's then claimed that Benzema went back to Zenati, and said, "H is not taking us seriously." Defense lawyers have already argued police were wrong to use an undercover agent. Though French courts threw out the lawyers' objections to police methods in 2018.